Hi everyone, welcome back to Project of the Week. Today I'm going to be checking out MapLibre. Let's take a look. Oh, whoa. 82% of PRs are done by bots. Looks like they're really embracing bot-driven development. And as you can see here, about 50% of any repo activity are conducted by bots. So all the basic mundane tasks, creating PRs, merging them, adding comments are all pretty much distributed across bots. Makes sense. Their origins as a community fork and that technical complexity of the mapping software does invite a lot of usage for bots. So automating those routine tasks, like I mentioned, can actually help humans focus on more of the creative aspect of things. And there's that 100% review coverage. Every single PR gets reviewed before merging. That's a really strong commitment. And look at that review metric. 85% of reviews are completed within just 1 hour, which is a huge turnaround time, especially in 16 seconds. That's almost instant feedback for contributors. And that merge time is about 12 minutes median time, and the overall wait time is 10 minutes. It's huge for contributors as well. It's very fast for actually getting code into production. But it is worth noting, they have a really interesting origin story. So MapLibre was forked from Mapbox when they changed their license. And since then, I think it's done a really good job of showing the value of being very bot driven to actually create that efficient workflow. Contributors can still get a lot of good feedback and actually continue to work upon this project. And it shows a really lot of positive feedback. But if you are into web mapping or just curious about efficient open source development, this one is definitely worth checking out. That's all for this week. Thanks for joining in, and we'll see you next Friday. Bye.